everyone, welcome back to Difference Creations. In this video, I will show you how to make a fire extinguisher using simple household materials. First, I made a hole in the bottle cap and inserted the syringe. Then, I made a small hole in the side of the bottle and fixed the pen onto it with super glue and hot glue. I will fill the syringe with vinegar and the bottle with baking soda. When I squirt the vinegar into the bottle, a reaction occurs between the vinegar and baking soda. The vinegar, which is dilute acetic acid, reacts with the baking soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate and is a base. Then when the reaction occurs, carbon dioxide gas is released.